Well, people are now using a lot of AI tools. So I have just reviewed two of them, but there are like hundreds. Okay, but one thing about these tools is they're not always accurate. Okay, and another thing that you should keep in mind is that it doesn't really matter whether content is generated using AI or not. What matters is the quality. So if you're using a human written content, but the quality isn't good, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so it's not gonna work. But if you're using an AI content, but the quality is good, it's going to work. It's as simple as that. So it doesn't really matter whether you have used AI or not in the first place. If you just look at what Google has to say, if you just Google it, they have their own AI which says, like, does Google penalize AI content? It says that no, Google does not penalize AI content if it's used appropriately. Again, if you go to their like Google's own website, you'll see that there's explicitly clearing this thing out, like appropriate use of AI or automation is not against our guidelines. So it's pretty clear that Google does not like penalize any content that they detect were generated by AI. Okay, and another issue with this tool is that they're not always accurate. I have made a post like a month back about originality AI. So GPT-0, as I have showed in the guide, it's already not accurate, and I have showed many samples of that, and I have showed some screenshots showing that it's not entirely accurate. Okay, and then I have used originality AI, which is one of the like more premium segment AI content checker tool and stuff. So I have used their Turbo 3.0 model, and I have ran the United States Declaration of Independence through it. Okay, and guess what? They detected this like United States Declaration of Independence as generated by AI. So I have made a post on LinkedIn like few months back. You can see that it's detecting. It's like 71% confident the content was generated using AI. So it received a lot of impressions. People were like sharing and stuff. Okay, so they like added an update, and like I just checked the Declaration of Independence through Original AI again, and it showed that it's slightly original, and they think that 65% confident that it was generated using human or original content. But where is the rest 35%? So like they're not like entirely sure, okay, that it's human written, but it was written back in like 17th or 18th century. Okay, so this is what it's all about. So my suggestion be to like check how the content is written, whether it's like answering the questions the audience may ask. Okay, whether it's fulfilling the search intent. If it's fulfilling the search intent, if it's incorporating a lot of like research stats, okay, and if it does not have these like typical AI like repetitive sentence structure, you can just use the content, and you don't have to use like you don't have to spend money on these tools. Okay, so if you're an editor, I don't think you really need uh, uh, premium or any sort of AI detection tools. Okay, so I hope the guide helps. Thanks.